Hi, my name is Natalie Stevens. I'm a design technology teacher and have been teaching for the last 11 years. I'm here today to talk to you about the Design and Technology Association's new e-learning course, No More Talk and Chalk. The course is broken down into lots and lots of different teaching and learning strategies, and there's lots and lots of practical examples of how you use that in a design technology context, and lots of resources for you to take away as well. It's helpful for teachers and departments looking to refresh some ideas, to help broaden pupil understanding, and it helps teachers step away from just lecturing at the front of the classroom and looks at delivering DT in fun and engaging ways, especially the theory content. There's also lots of ideas of using educational technology, lots of software that you can potentially use with classes, both working in class, also for remote learning or for homework. By taking part in the course, you'll get to take away lots of resources for you to keep. There's also lots of fun ideas and things that you can use with your departments and in your classroom.